Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to increase video playback speed on YouTube. Why would you want to know how to increase video playback speed on YouTube? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to increase video playback speed on YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to increase video playback speed on YouTube. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Increasing video playback speed on YouTube is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Here is the interface of YouTube. Now you are seeing different videos. If you are willing to increase video playback of any video, click on video you want to increase its playback speed. Now click on setting button. Click on playback speed. You can adjust from here or you can simply click on custom speed as well. There you go. If you wanted to know how to increase video playback speed on YouTube, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.